గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, నేను నిన్న మొన్న హోంవర్క్ పెట్టినమ్మా. హోంవర్క్ మాత్రం ఎవ్వరు చేసి పంపించట్లేదు. ఓకేనా? సో ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఏమంటలేను. సో ఎగ్జామ్స్ అన్న కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రెగ్యులర్గా హోంవర్క్ చేసి పెట్టండి. ఓకేనా? సో in this class I am going to explain the question number 21. So once you see the question over here, Electronic Limited furnishes the following information for 10,000 volts manufactured during the year 1985. Okay, material 90,000, wages 60,000, power and consumables stores 12,000, factory indirect wages 15,000, lighting of factory 5,500, defective works, okay, 3,000, clerical salaries and management expenses 33,500, selling expenses 5,000, sale of scrap 2,000, and plant repairs and maintenance and depreciation 11,500. The net selling price was 31 rupees 60 pice per unit sold. Nothing but sales ma. Okay, 31, how much your sales you see? 31 rupees 60 pice per unit sold. All units were sold. So total how many units are there? All the units were sold over here. All units means how much my here? 10,000 units. Okay, the net selling price was, okay, and as from 1st January 1986 the selling price was reduced to 31 rupees per unit. It was estimated that production could be increased in 1986 by 50% due to space capacity, rates of materials and direct wages will increase by 10%. Nothing but here 1985 information he has given. Here what we till now what we have seen, this total information is regarding the 1985. So here next what we have to do means for this we have to prepare a cost sheet. For 1986 we have to prepare a quotation. We have to prepare a quotation. So in 1986 what happened means the selling price they have reduced to 31 rupees, and with that what they have done, production could be increased by 50%. So how much what they have done, even production also is increased. Okay, rates for raw materials and direct wages will increase by 10%. Nothing but here material is how much 90,000 he has given. This will be increased by 10%, he is saying. Okay, direct wages is how much? 60,000. You also will be increased by 10%, he is saying. So cost sheet you are required to prepare cost sheet for the year 1985 showing the various elements of cost per unit and estimated cost and profit for 1986. Assuming that 15,000 units will be produced and sold during the year, and factory overhead will be recovered as percentage of direct wages and office and selling expenses as a percentage of work cost. Okay, here we have to calculate the percentages also. Why we are calculating percentage? For preparing the quotation. Okay, so 1985 10,000 units they have prepared. Now for how many units we have to prepare here? For 15,000 units we have to prepare the estimation. Okay, so first you see the cost sheet ma. This cost sheet is regarding 1985. Okay, so see here, material 90,000, direct wages 60,000. Total you have to add. Prime cost is how much ma? 1,50,000. Prime cost is how much? 1,50,000. Even you have to draw the per unit column also. Per unit column also 10,000 divided by 90. How much ma? 9. 60,000. Here per unit column they have not drawn. So even draw the per unit column also. Okay. So 1,50,000 divided by 10,000 is how much? Per 1.5. So power and consumable stores 12,000. Factory indirect wages 15,000. Lighting of factory 6,500. Defective work 3,000. Okay, depreciation of plant 11,500. All the factory expenses we have taken ma. From that scrap he has given, scrap you have to minus. Okay, pro forma, cost sheet pro forma you have to follow. Okay, after deducting 45,000 you got total factory expenses. Add to the prime cost and work cost will be how much? 1,95,000. Next what we have to do? Add office overhead. Under office overhead, salaries he has given. Salaries is how much he has given? 33,500. Okay, then this should be added to the work cost, and finally you got the cost of production 2,28,500. Next, selling and distribution expenses, how much he has given? Selling expenses 5,500. This one should be added to the cost of production, and cost of sales is how much? 2,34,000 is cost of sales. 2,30,000 is cost of sales. Next what he has done? Sales he has given. What he has given ma? Sales 10,000 units. Sales value how much he has given? Per unit 31.60 he has given. So 10,000 into 31.60 is how much ma? 3,16,000. From this deduct this cost of sales. What is this ma? It is a cost of sales. Cost of sales. Okay, so deduct, and finally you will be getting a profit, that is 82,000. Okay, next what we have to do to find the quotation, next we have to find the percentages here. Okay, here totally we have factory overhead, office overhead, selling and distribution overhead. 3 overheads we have na. So for 3 overheads you have to prepare percentages. First, percentage on office overhead. So factory expenses divided by wages into 100. So factory expenses is how much ma here? Total factory expenses is how much? 45,000. See here ma, factory expense is how much? 45,000. 45,000 divided by wages. Wages is how much? 60,000 into 100. So 75% you got. Next, percentage on office overhead. Percentage on office overhead. Office expenses divided by work cost into 100. So office expense is how much ma? 33,500 divided by work cost. Work cost is how much? 1,95,000 into 100. So 17.18%. Next, percentage on selling and distribution overhead. Selling expenses divided by work cost into 100. Selling expenses how much we have? 5,500 divided by work cost 1,95,000 into 100. So 2.82%. So we have calculated percentages na. Next what we have to do? We have to prepare a quotation. We have to prepare a quotation, estimation or tender for year 1986. Okay, 1986 we have to prepare. So here what happened means material direct amount he has not given. For material what he has said ma, for material and wages what he has said, 10%, it should be increased by 10%. So first of all, material value total is how much? But 90,000 divided by 10 you do. So 9 rupees per unit you will be getting. How much you will be getting? 9 rupees per unit. So 15,000 into 9 rupees per unit you have to do. 15,000 into, why we have taken 15,000? Here quotation is for how many units ma? Quotation is for 15,000 units. Quotation is for 15,000 units. So here material value directly has not given. What he has said, only percentage he has given. So first of all, per unit we have to find 90,000 divided by 10,000 you do. So 15,000 into 9 means 1,35,000. On this it has increased to 10%. It has increased by how much? 10% means 13,500. Add. So 1,48,500. Next, wages. Wages how much he has given in a cost sheet? 60,000. 60,000 divided by 10,000 you do. 6 rupees you will be getting per unit. 6 rupees. 6 rupees into 15,000. Okay, 6 rupees into 15,000 means how much? 90,000. On this again what we have to do? We have to increase the 10%. So 99,000. Both you add, you will be getting a prime cost. Afterwards, factory overhead. Factory overhead percentage how much we got? 75%. This one you have to do on this wages. On this wages. So 99,000 into 75%. How much you got here? 74,250. Next add. So 3,21,750. Next add office overhead. Office overhead. Office overhead percentage we got na 17.18%. 3,21,750 into 17.18%. This how much? This much you will be getting. Add. Then you will be getting a cost of production. How much you will be getting ma? Cost of production this is. Okay. Next, selling and distribution. Selling and distribution also on work cost you have to calculate how much percentage is it? It is 2.82%. So 9,073 we got. Add it. Then finally we will be getting a, how much you will be getting? 3,86,100. Okay. Next, that is called as a cost of sales. Cost of sales. It is called as a cost of sales. Next, finally sales you have to take. Sales value what he has given? It has in 1986 how much it is? 31 rupees per unit they have said. Okay, so how many units are produced? 15,000 units are produced. So 15,000 into 31, 4,65,000. From sales you deduct the cost of sales, and profit you how much you will be getting? 78,900. Okay, so here I will suggest that per unit make a one more column here itself. ఓకే, ఇక్కడే ఇంకో కాలం వేయండి అమ్మా. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడే ఇంకో కాలం వేసి పర్ యూనిట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేసేయండి. ఎట్లా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారో చెప్తానండి. 90,000 డివైడ్ బై 10,000 10 వస్తుంది. ఒక పర్ యూనిట్ కాలంలో వేసేసేయండి. 60,000 డివైడ్ బై 10,000 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 6 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, వీటన్నిటికీ ఏం అవసరం కూడా లేదు. మీరు వేస్తా అంటే వేయండి, లేదా డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ చేసినట్టు పర్ యూనిట్ ఇక్కడ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ఓకే.